Hey guys, welcome back to Art of Study. From today onwards, we are going to study different Java programs. So today's problem statement is write a Java program to display all the alphabets between A to Z after every 2 seconds. Right. So I have already written the program. Now I'll explain one by one line of the program. So I'll start from first line. First line is public class alphabet display and curly bracket. Right. So public, which is a access modifier, means this class can be accessed from anywhere. Then class, it is a keyword that declares we are creating a class. Right. And alphabet display, it is a name of class which is must match with the file name. Then next is curly bracket, opening curly bracket. The class body starts here. Then next is public static void main string args. So again, public method can be called from the outside class. Then static method belongs to class itself, not to object. JVM can call it without creating an object. Void, which is a return type, this means the method does not return any value. Then main, a special method name that JVM recognizes as a starting point. Then string args, parameter that accepts command line arguments as an array of string. Then again curly bracket, which is here main function body starts here. Then next line, system.out.println. System, which is a predefined class in java.lang.package. Then out, it is a static object of printstream class inside a system class, represents standard output. And println, which is a method that prints text and adds new line. Then this is a statement, display alphabets from A to Z, 2 seconds delay between each. This is a statement that we have to print, which is written inside double quotes and circular brackets. Then I have given a semicolon at the end, which is statement terminator. Then the next is the loop, for, which is a keyword that starts a for loop. Then uh, simple bracket, here the loop statement starts, opening parenthesis for loop parameter. Then character is a data type for the variable named as letter, and we are starting it from A, which is written in the single quotes. Then semicolon, separator between loop parts. Then letter is less than or equal to Z. Here condition is checked. Letter means current value of variable, then less than or equal to is an operator, and Z, which is a character literal. And again the semicolon means separator between loop extracts, and then letter plus plus means updates. Letter is variable to increment, and plus plus, which is an increment operator, add 1 to letters value. Okay. Then now again the curly bracket, opening of this for loop. Then again system.out.println, which is same that's explained above. I'll explain it again. System is a predefined class in java.lang package. Then dot operator to access member of class. Then out, which is a static object of printstream class inside system class, which represents standard output. Then again dot operator to access member of class, and then println, which is a method that prints the text and adds a new line. Then now we are printing letter, right? So letter is a variable holding current character. For example, A in first iteration, B in second iteration. Then this is a closing parenthesis and semicolon is statement terminator. Now the try block, exception handling block, begins. Try, which is a keyword that starts a block where exception might occur. Then this is a starting of block. Then thread. Thread is a predefined class in java.lang package which manages threads execution paths. Then dot operator. Then sleep is a static method that pauses the current thread. And then 2000 is a integer literal which represents millisecond. 2000 milliseconds is equal to 2 seconds. Okay, then closing parenthesis and statement terminator. Then the next is try block completion and catch. Catch is a keyword that handles exceptions thrown in try block. Then again the opening parenthesis for exception parameter interrupted exception is exception type thrown when a sleeping or waiting thread is interrupted. E is a variable name to hold the exception object. Then this is a closing parenthesis and this is a opening brace. Catch block starts here. Then system.out.println as discussed earlier, and the statement we are printing is program interrupted inside double quotes, inside simple brackets, and then statement terminator. Now E dot print stack trace. E is an exception object caught, dot is a dot operator, and print stack trace, which is a method that prints detailed error information, and empty parenthesis for representing a method. Then the last lines are closing brackets for catch, then again closing brackets for loop. Then we are printing a statement system.out.println as discussed earlier. Then we are printing the statement all alphabets displayed after displaying A from A to Z, and then again closing curly brackets of main function and alphabet display class. So this is the program I have explained. Now we will execute the program. Okay, so cd desktop, this file is on desktop, so desktop, then our file name is alphabet. So java c, first we need to compile the program java c alphabet display.java, right? So here it is compiled. Now we will execute the program. The program execution command is java alphabet display. See, here it is printing now, displaying alphabets from A to Z, which is the line we have to print. Then every 2 seconds the letters are printing until Z. Okay, if you want the program, please comment down, I'll share with you. So if you really enjoyed this video and really learned from this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your other friends so they can also learn every programming concepts or programs in detail. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching my full video. See here, until Z we have completed, and now all alphabets displayed line also is printed here. Yes, this is the program. Thank you so much. Bye bye.